Apple. Apple. A round fruit, usually red or green. Example: she ate an apple for lunch. Banana. Banana. A long yellow fruit. Example: monkeys like to eat bananas. Orange. Orange. A round citrus fruit with vitamin C. Example: he drank a glass of orange juice. Grapes. Grapes. Small round fruits that grow in bunches. Example: we bought grapes from the market. Mango. Mango. A sweet tropical fruit with yellow flesh. Example: mango is my favorite fruit. Pineapple. Pineapple. A tropical fruit with spiky skin. Example: we made juice from a pineapple. Watermelon. Watermelon. A large green fruit with red inside. Example: they ate watermelon on a hot day. Strawberry. Strawberry. A small red fruit with seeds outside. Example: she put strawberries on the cake. Blueberry. Blueberry. A small blue fruit. Example: blueberries are healthy and tasty. Papaya. Papaya. A soft tropical fruit with orange flesh. Example: he had papaya for breakfast. Pear. Pear. A green fruit shaped like a drop. Example: she bought a pear from the shop. Peach. Peach. A round fruit with soft skin. Example: the peach tastes very sweet. Plum. Plum. A small purple or red fruit. Example: I ate a ripe plum. Cherry. Cherry. A small round red fruit with a seed inside. Example: the cake had a cherry on top. Coconut. Coconut. A large hard fruit with water inside. Example: he drank coconut water on the beach. Kiwi. Kiwi. A small brown fruit with green inside. Example: kiwi is sour but delicious. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. A red fruit with many small seeds. Example: she ate pomegranate seeds with a spoon. Lemon. Lemon. A sour yellow fruit. Example: he added lemon to the tea. Fig. Fig. A soft sweet fruit with many tiny seeds. Example: they ate fresh figs from the tree. Guava. Guava. A tropical fruit with green skin and pink inside. Example: she cut the guava into pieces. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.